Hi. I've been walking around and yeah, my classes has ended and officially the winter break has started. Now I'm actually going somewhere to find something to eat, but that's another story. I decided to record an update for the channel state. I didn't have much time, or I just procrastinated as I can do basically. But the channel is kind of dead again, and that's completely my fault, of course. And I was just wanna provide an update that soon, actually on Saturday at 3 a.m. I'll leave for the airport and we'll go to Germany for a winter break, but with a very twisted way. I'll connect in New York City and we'll fly to Paris, and then we'll go from there on a train. And I just wanted to let you know that I'll record the flight review on the United 757. So yeah, stay tuned. And for the future reference for the next year, I think I'm gonna do that. I'll start with the smaller projects on the channel, slowly transitioning to the bigger ones, because if I get stuck on some big project, it's my motivation is really low. For example, with the European race, I'm still stuck on editing out 3 hours of streams for every participant, and I just went through my stream and I'm like 2/3 of the way through the Lux's stream. So yeah, I'm gonna start with something not that demanding. So yeah, just wanted to let you know, guys, I'm alive. Yeah, okay. Okay, seems like I see McDonald's on the horizon. This is the life, oh my god. Anyway, yeah, I'll go eat and probably upload this video. So yeah, there will be something on the channel for sure in the next year. I still plan to do some stuff on it, but yeah, I'll do to the best of my ability, basically. Yeah, I'll go eat and try not to get ran over by a car. Okay, yeah, have a great flight, see ya.